the autonomous period. Teams get points for scoring game pieces on the grid right in front of their driver's station. Now at the end, if they can balance, the charging station has 176 and red, maybe 167 and done, they'll get an extra 12 points. We have 2 game pieces scored for red, 3 scored for blue. The difference was where they were scored. It was 2, 4, 6. 6 for the highest level, so that gave them a 30 to 24 advantage. Now teams are going to be moving across the field, trying to gather the game pieces from the floor and score them on their grid. There's 2 types of game pieces. There are the yellow cones and the purple cubes. Or they're kind of cubes. They're cubes that had a big lunch. 177 Bobcats scoring over there. They're teamed up with 176. They were the number 1 and 2 teams at the very end of the qualification. So you can see lots of cubes are being scored for the Blue Alliance right there by 1099 to 3464. Sim City and the discotheques. Now the other aspect of the scoring is what they call links. That's groups of 3. And if you look on your screen, you will see there is 1 link currently for red. And now red has 2 links. That is groups of 3 across the top, or the middle, or the bottom, the hybrid zone. 78-69, the fun game, seems to be running some defense. They're shuttling pieces back and forth. So they're moving across the field as of the red alliance, 78-69. Aces high, their robot has got a black kickstand on it, so they call it the kickstand. It has 4 degrees of freedom. It is much like you might see on a robot on an assembly line. Now on the Blue Alliance, you're going to see the teams trying to balance what we call the charging station. They try to balance and engage on it. It is 10 points per robot. And you can see the Red Alliance is trying to get all 3 robots on there. The fun game doing it. So is the Blue Alliance. You're going to need triple balance. And if they can just hold on with 14 seconds left, the Blue Alliance ought to be able to hold on, but then it's teeter-tottering back and forth on that. And then it goes one way, and then it goes the other way. And too far one way could tip you over with 2 seconds left. The Blue Alliance